Imagine earning $400 a day with just Google Maps. Yes, you heard it right. This virtual globe holds untapped potential for lucrative ventures. Curious? We're about to unveil 4 ingenious ways to strike digital gold. Hold tight as we dive into the 4 methods that can turn Google Maps into your gold mine. First off, we have local business consultation. Harness the power of Google Maps by offering your expertise to local businesses. Help them enhance their listing and visibility, thereby attracting more customers. Indeed, a simple way of helping businesses grow while fattening your wallet. Moving on to the second method, affiliate marketing. This involves using Google Maps to identify niche markets and products. By promoting these as an affiliate, you can earn commissions. Yes, it's as interesting as it sounds. Affiliate marketing, a strategy that can earn you money while you sleep. Halfway through our journey, here's a gentle reminder. If you're finding value in these strategies, show some love. Click that like button and subscribe for more practical money-making tips. Hit that subscribe button and let's continue our journey to financial freedom. Third on our list, we have drop shipping. Imagine leveraging Google Maps to locate untapped markets for your drop shipping business. By identifying areas with high demand and low supply, you position yourself for potential success. Drop shipping, a business model that can multiply your earnings. Last but not least, the property rental business. With Google Maps, you can scout potential properties, pinpoint vacant spaces in high-demand areas, then transform them into flourishing rental businesses. Property rental, turning vacant spaces into profitable ventures. So there you have it. 4 simple yet effective ways to earn $400 a day with Google Maps. From local business consultation to property rental, each method has its unique potential. Don't hesitate, give them a try. Thank you for watching. Drop a comment and let's reach 10,000 subscribers. Remember, a lucky subscriber will win a free money giveaway. Stay tuned.